4th Inter-Department Badminton Tournament 2024 Nagaland Legislative Assembly Stadium de kick-off kurise. Bangladesh de crisis jai thaka homoy de Hindu manukan logode bishi violence dekhi pai ase. Desh laga sob jaga de doctors aro medical students kan Friday din de protest kurise. ISRO bra August 16 Friday din de EOS 08 Earth Observation Satellite launch kurise. Hello viewers, moi Serenchmi Himjoy, apni han sob ke NLTV Prime Time de swagat kuri ase. Ahibi sawa ajlaga khobor. Dolino Chishi Gun prestigious exam UPSC 2023 de all ranked 431 de ulaichi aro IAS Katre Baishe, Tai Laga Felicitation Program to Kohima Sumi Officers, Kokakulu Para, Kohima Sumi Hoho, Kohima Sumi Dodimi Hoho, Aro Kohima Students Union Logode, Milagina, Mount Olive College Laga Auditorium de August 15, 2024 de Tishe. Warren Holohon Yaptomi Kohima Sumi Officers, Kokakulu, Laga President Bara welcoming address de Koishegi Sumi Community de First IAS Uladu 1982 de Takishe. Second to 1996 de takishe aro 28 saal ke piche de Dolino Chishibra ulaikina IAS de Sumi regular recruit koikina janaishe aro Dolino Chishi dai laga achievement over janaishe Chishibra dai laga greetings de dai laga parents engineer Kasho aro amami tolige supportive aro encouraging thakyani de gratitude express kurishe dai aro aspirants kan dangor dreams rakhikina iduke achieve kuribole hard work kurikina community age loi jawole encourage kurishe.
When I played, now when they gave me the liberty to choose one or two hymns of my choice, I obviously had certain favorite hymns which were the ones that I knew how to play properly. Of this, there were two that would keep making appearances. There were these two hymns that I would keep choosing them again and again. And so much that my father, he once remarked that I couldn't, in a little fed up way, that I couldn't just keep playing them all the time just because I knew how to play them. Again, these two hymns here, count your blessings. Yesterday, today, forever. Yesterday, today, forever, Jesus is the same. And looking back now, it seems almost prescient or even faithful. What blessed years those were, and what a blessing this has been in my life. To be here, surrounded by so many familiar faces that I've grown up with in the community within which I grew up. This is so incredibly special and meaningful for me. There are many factors, of course, young people, UPSC process, a lot of people say that it is very important to have big dreams and to work hard for these dreams that you have. I feel like this is something that applies to everything in life, not just to aspirants or not just to young people. I hope that we as a community will continue to progress, to set goals for ourselves, to have dreams for our future, and to build each other up to be better always. I hope that we will excel and set examples in the ways that we treat each other within our community, men and women, young and old, and in the ways we treat others, the way we interact and live with others around us as well. And to everyone who has encouraged me through your kind words this evening again, I thank you. She continued as Nukoliotzlani for supporting me in prayer and in thought. Individual achievement, like Kikumono, collective celebration, like I'm so grateful. I feel blessed to be setting out on my professional journey, having received so much warmth and so much love from you. No kutunga, no kikumono, our chiki, don't wait, let's get no shikintani. Ishin being no, Vagatoi, Erinkulore, you lotin, Pokutong, successful sheep and may we have many more occasions.
Fourth Inter-Department Badminton Tournament 2024 Friday din de Nagaland Legislative Assembly Stadium de Dr. Selihodo Rutso MLA special case thakikina shuru hoise kushe. Opening ceremony de Kota Korea homoy Dr. Rutso koise ki idu tournament bera department bitor khilari khan laga hidden talents identify korise kina state ke higher level de represent kuribo koi kina highlight korise. Aro khilari khan du idu tournament bra tai khan gi fit rakhia ikla nohoi kina society bitor de fit rakhibole koi kina encourage kruse. Inter Department Badminton Club President Shanavas bara sub department ge iki logot ahi kina games aro sports dedication bara promote kuribole koise. Sub miligina 26 departments bara 160 participants bara idu tournament de shamil thakise.
Here I want to highlight that with this tournament, I'm sure the organizers and the leaders of this very discipline will be able to identify the hidden talent in the youngsters of different departments so that we can groom them to not only represent the government but to represent the people of Nagaland in the higher stage. With this tournament, as you smash every point, I hope you'll smash away the misunderstandings that is among you, among departments, and every soft point that you won will create more love and affection and humility to the other unprivileged people. There is a saying which I truly believe and I really admire. It goes, if you are a sweeper, if you are a street sweeper, continue to sweep, even if Michelangelo composed music, or Shakespeare composed or write poems, or also Beethoven composed music or Michelangelo continue painting. If you are a sweeper, continue as a sweeper, so that the host of angels, whoever close your work, will appreciate that here lives a great sweeper. Why I'm saying this today in the midst of these privileged people is that if you are the HOD, if you are the dealing assistant, if you are a driver, if you are a sweeper, do your part properly. Let your higher-ups do your part properly so that when people see your work, here lives a great HOD, here lives a great sweeper, here lives a dedicated staff of this department. Let us all give our best in this tournament, and I hope this tournament will not only keep the players fit physically, but to keep our society fit in terms of understanding and progress for development. Thank you so much for having me here, and all the best for this tournament.
Salsin Singh Marak Kundu veteran politician aro former Meghalaya Chief Minister takishe dai Ajidura Civil Hospital bara mori jaishe dai do 82 sal takishe aro hospital de treatment loi takishe Marak do Meghalaya laga Chief Minister do 1993 bara loi kina 1998 ta kurishe dai Meghalaya Legislative Assembly de North Karo Hills Resubili bara ke represent kurishe Meghalaya Sorgar bara Bariadak Dangor Aircraft Operation Kuribole Koshish Kuriase Shillong Airport Umroi de Kundu Idu Kuribole Olop challenging ase Meghalaya Lagal mountainous landscape Saigina Holibi State Sorgar Bara Idu challenge to Utaigina reality de Anibole Daikan Nudun Technologies Pisariase Koshi Future de Dangor Aircraft Laga Land Kuribole Dibole Nimite State Sorgar Bara Meghalaya ge ekta top tourist destination brand banabole Koshish Kuriase Koshi Desh laga sob jaga de doctors aro medical students kan Friday din de protest kurise justice mang gurigina kun magi doctor logo de rape aro murder huise Kolkata laga RG Car College aro hospital de protesters kan dai nimide insaf mang gurise Lady Harding Medical College and Hospital laga junior doctors aro RMLA Hospital bara national capital de protest kurise RML Hospital laga Dr. Akash bara doctors kan logo de appeal kurise dai kan ge Nirman Bhawan de ahigina Shanti bra Taikan protest kuribo aro Taikan du idu issue do government logode chuldi insaf di bole mang kurishe victim aro Taikan laga family nimite.
So we have just gathered for a peaceful protest against whatever has happened in RG Kar, Kolkata, and we're just here for that. As of now, I think we will gather and decide regarding this. Once we make a decision, then we'll work on it. But I am not in the leadership, so I'm not so sure.
जो लीडरशिप में है कि वो उनसे बातचीत होगी उसके बाद ये फैसला लिया जाएगा कि यहाँ से हटेगी.
My name is Dr. Prerna.
कैमरामैन निशान के साथ
Currently, we have not started our protest yet. We are just peacefully standing here, and we do wish to, and we have planned to make it a very peaceful protest. It is not going to be. We are not going to be doing anything illegal or anything harmful in any manner. It is going to be a peaceful protest because we are just demanding for our rights here, which is just a basic, transparent investigation of the case that has happened, and the Central Protection Act for the doctors against the violence.
Tamil Nadu laga Theni de 4.5 kg laga drugs aro kari seize kurishe. Idu mamla laga opor panchun manuge arrest kurishe kina ase. Ahibi idu laga khobor saitabo. Haryana aro Uttar Pradesh laga majude roadway bus aro ekta kari road accident hoishe aro tade thakya manukan jokham hoishe kuishe. Our hospital de immediate treatment karni loi jaise koigina janai dishe. Information laga hisab de Uttar Pradesh bus transport to Muzaffarnagar Depot Rishikesh para Delhi de jai thakishe aro Breeza gari do Rishikesh de ahi thakishe kushe. Kundu de daijun laga gari do face to face laga lagi hoishe koigina janaishe aro itu nimi de gari laga age part to pura damage hoishe aro gari laga airbag bi khulishe kuishe. Tamil Nadu laga Senchi jaga de lorry ekta bus para ahigina mari dishe idu hatsa de bus laga driver logo de 19 passengers jokhom paishe aro government hospital de admit kurigina ase. Bangladesh de crisis chai thakya homoy de Hindu manukhan logo de bishi violence dikhi pai ase idu homoy bishi fake news aro India de Islamophobia to spread kurigina jai dikhi pai ase. Idu laga crisis de Bangladesh de bishi dangor jhamala hoigina minorities kan logo de mara mari bishi hui thake pai ase. Idu hatsa de Hindu Buddhist Christian Unity Council aro Bangladesh Puja Ujjaban Barishad bara koise ki idia tak milai gina minority communities kan 205 incidents face kurigina ase 52 district e BM Hasina laga sarkar kira bichide. Uttar Pradesh laga CM Yogi Adityanath bara former CM Atal Bihari Vajpayee ge dai laga dead anniversary de dai laga statue de Garland dishe. CM Yogi bara dai laga Twitter handle de likhishe ki moikan tweety aro basina laga holy bath to irrigate kurishe aro moikan laga jan de bishi hoilibi kitiabi journey de rukya nai aro challenges de bow down kuria nai koigina Atal Bihari Vajpayee ge dai laga anniversary de koishe.
भारतीय राजनीति के अजात शत्रु के रूप में एक सर्वमान्य चेहरे के रूप में जिनकी पहचान थी, ऐसे सरदेव अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी की आज छठी पुण्यतिथि है. इस अवसर पर प्रदेश की जनता की ओर से, उत्तर प्रदेश शासन की ओर से सरदेव अटल जी के स्मृतियों को नमन करते हुए हम विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं. हम सब जानते हैं कि सरदेव अटल जी का जो पैतृक गांव है वह उत्तर प्रदेश के आगरा जनपद के बटेसर
में पढ़ता है। उन्होंने अपनी उच्च शिक्षा उत्तर प्रदेश के कानपुर में रहकर के संपन्न की और कर्मभूमि के रूप में अपने पैतृक जन्मभूमि के प्रदेश को ही अपनी कर्मभूमि के रूप में चुना। राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ से उन्होंने प्रारंभिक दीक्षा लेने के बाद राष्ट्र धर्म और अन्य विचार परिवार से जुड़े हुए प्रकाशन के साथ जोड़ करके एक लेखक के रूप में, एक कवि के रूप में अपनी एक पहचान बनाई। स्वतंत्र भारत में डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी, पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय जी के सानिध्य में सार्वजनिक जीवन का शुभारंभ करते हुए 1957 में उत्तर प्रदेश की बलरामपुर, जो आज श्रावस्ती लोकसभा सीट है, वहां से लोकसभा के सांसद चुने गए। लगातार 10 बार की संसद में, लोकसभा में जाने का, 2 बार राज्यसभा में जाने का अवसर सरदेव अटल जी को प्राप्त हुआ। प्रदेश की राजधानी लखनऊ संसदीय क्षेत्र से लगातार 5 बार अटल जी ने लोकसभा के लिए, देश की संसद के लिए प्रतिनिधित्व किया और यहीं से उनका प्रतिनिधित्व देश की राजनीतिक अस्थिरता को दूर करने के लिए 3 बार देश के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में भी उन्होंने भारत की राजनीतिक स्थिरता के साथ साथ आधुनिक भारत के निर्माण की नींव रखी। सुशासन का मॉडल कैसे होना चाहिए, देश के अंदर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का मॉडल कैसे होना चाहिए, ग्रामीण विकास में विकास का मॉडल क्या होना चाहिए, गरीबों के लिए खाद्यान्न की योजना को आसान करने के लिए अंत्योदय की योजना को उन परिवारों तक पहुंचाने के लिए जो कार्यक्रम सफलतापूर्वक क्रियान्वयन हुए, वो सभी अटल जी की दूरदर्शिता का परिणाम है। सरदेव अटल जी का जन्म 25 दिसंबर 1924 को हुआ था और देश की राजनीति में सार्वजनिक जीवन के लगभग 6 दशक एक निष्कलंक जीवन जीते हुए भारतीय राजनीति को एक नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाते हुए 16 अगस्त 2018 को उन्होंने इस भौतिक जगत से अपना अवसान किया। आज सरदेव अटल जी हमारे बीच में नहीं हैं, लेकिन उनकी स्मृतियां, उनके कविताएं भारतीय राजनीति के लिए उनके मूल्य और सिद्धांत सदैव एक नई प्रेरणा प्रदान करते हैं। भारतीय राजनीति के लिए और भारत को एक वैश्विक महाशक्ति के रूप में स्थापित करने के लिए उनके सत्प्रयासों के प्रति कृतज्ञता ज्ञापित करते हुए ही कृतज्ञ राष्ट्र ने उन्हें 2015 में भारत रत्न की उपाधि से भी सम्मानित किया। आज के इस अवसर पर अपने एक ऐसे यशस्वी नेता, देश के पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री, लखनऊ के विकास की धुरी सरदेव अटल जी को उनकी 6ठी पुण्यतिथि के अवसर पर हम लोग विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं, उनकी स्मृतियों को नमन करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
ISRO bra August 16 Friday din day EOS 08 Earth Observation Satellite launch kurishe on board Bujur 9:17 AM Pajide. Small satellite vehicle D3 Satish Dhawan Space Center Sriharkoti the small satellite vehicle D3 do third aro final development flight ase. SSLV T3 aro EOS 08 satellite do successfully launch hoise koikina ISRO chairman S Somanath Pra janaishe.
So I'm able to see the culmination of the development program and getting into operational regime. So that makes me proud and of my team who did the whole bulwark of making it through the last few years. Thank you. See, we faced failures. Though rocket technology is like that, though it will appear simple, it has more hidden in knowledge and skills needed to make it perfect. So when we developed the first stage motor, the bigger motor, the solid booster of 2-meter class, it failed in the static test. Then we had to make new motors. So it called for increasing the scope of building it, additional hardware, testing them. Then the first launch also had a problem. It didn't put the satellite in the right orbit. So it can be disheartening for anyone who works in it. But we did not lose our sight. We made required modifications. We changed the software. We changed the testing philosophy without changing the complexity. It has to be made simple. We have made an purpose for this SSLV. Keeping the purpose and the goals alive, we were able to successfully accomplish all those changes. But though it took a little longer time than anticipated, but I am happy that everything has now come to a culmination. Yeah, Gaganyaan mission is targeted this year, the first unmanned mission, and we have many missions of PSLV and GSLV scheduled.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal do money laundering laga case te Dihar jail de bui ase. Aji Friday din de dai laga birthday thakise idu homoi dai laga party workers kanbara jail laga bahar de dai laga birthday manaise kina cake cut kurise. Ahibi idu laga report amni kange dikhai dibo.
सबसे पहले अपना नाम बताएं। मेरा नाम प्रदीप लोहान, दिल्ली कैंट विधानसभा से मैं हूं और दिल्ली प्रदेश का मैं संगठन मंत्री हूं, आम आदमी पार्टी। आज अरविंद केजरीवाल का पूरी दिल्ली के अंदर पूरे हर्षोल्लास के साथ जन्मदिन मनाया जा रहा है। इसी तरह दिल्ली की 70 विधानसभा में और दिल्ली के 250 वार्डों में हमारे नेता, हमारे कार्यकर्ता, हमारे काउंसलर, हमारे एमएलए साहब सब जगह सेलिब्रेट करें पूरी दिल्ली के अंदर। हम भी अरविंद जी के जन्मदिन पर आज सुबह का प्लान किया था कि यहाँ पर आएंगे और अरविंद जी से मिलके उनको जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं देंगे, लेकिन तिहाड़ जेल प्रशासन ने हमारे को अंदर नहीं जाने दिया। हमने यही तय किया कि हम गेट के बाहर सर का जन्मदिन मनाएंगे और यहीं से हम मैसेज देंगे कि सर आप बहुत जल्द हमारे बीच में होंगे और इसी तरह दिल्ली और देश के जो विकास के लिए आपने प्रण ले रखा है, उसी तरह आप उस पथ पर लगातार आगे बढ़कर इस देश और दिल्ली की सेवा करते रहेंगे। हैप्पी बर्थडे अरविंद केजरीवाल। हैप्पी बर्थडे अरविंद केजरीवाल।
Idu thakise aji laga khobor aro inika news aro updates pai thekibole sai thekibi NLTV.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.